By the name of Allah, who is omnipresent, compassionate, and power of power. Today I will teach you formula of tenses. So we have 12 tenses in British English language. That is present indefinite tense or present tense, simple present tense. Past indefinite tense or simple past indefinite tense or past indefinite tense. Future simple future tense or future indefinite tense. So present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. We have 12 tenses. So also we can learn from our hands. This is present, past, future. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. For these tenses, we have to learn helping verb. In present tense, we have doodles. Main verb is, are, am. And in this tense, we have used first form of verb. In past indefinite tense, helping verb is did. Main verb is was and were. And in this tense, we use second form of verb. In future tense, helping verb is will, shall. When I and we comes, when I and we comes, we use shall. And their main verb is will be, shall be. And here we use first form of verb. In present continuous tense, helping verb is, are, am. Main verb is being or ing form. In past continuous, helping verb was, were, main verb being and ing form. In future continuous, helping verb will be, shall be, main verb being ing form, also called present participle form or fourth form. Also we call it gerund. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, helping verb is has and have. Main verb is been, and here we use third form of verb. Past perfect tense, helping verb is had, main verb is been, and here we use third form of verb or past participle form of verb. In future perfect tense, helping verb will have, shall have. Here we use with I and we shall have. Main verb is been, and here we use past participle form or third form of verb. In present perfect continuous tense, helping verb has been or have been. With he, she, it singular names, we use has been. With I, we, you, they plural name, we use have been. Main verb is being, ing form, fourth form. Also, in this tense, we use since and for. Past perfect continuous, helping verb is had been. Main verb is being, ing form, and here we also use since and for in past perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense, helping verb will have been, shall have been. With I and we use in British English language, shall have been. Main verb is being, and here we also use present participle form, ing form of verb, and also we use since and for. Now I write one sentence in 12 tenses, and we have to change one sentence into 12 tenses. For example, she speaks the truth. She speaks the truth. वो सच बोलती है. वो सच बोलती है. And in past indefinite tense, we have to use second form of verb. Speak second form is spoke. She spoke the truth. she spoke the truth. उसने सच बोला. उसने सच बोला. She spoke the truth. She will speak the truth. She will speak the truth. वो सच बोलेगी. She will speak the truth. वो सच बोलेगी. In present continuous tense, we use she is speaking the truth. She is speaking the truth. वो सच बोल रही है. वो सच बोल रही है. In past continuous, we use she was speaking the truth. She was speaking the truth. वो सच बोल रही थी. वो सच बोल रही थी. She was speaking the truth. In future continuous, we use she will be speaking the truth. She will be speaking the truth. वो सच बोल रही होगी. वो सच बोल रही होगी. In present perfect tense, helping verb is has have, and here we use third form of verb. So we use she has. Third form is speak, spoke, spoken. She has spoken the truth. She has spoken the truth. वो सच बोल चुकी है. वो सच बोल चुकी है. In past perfect tense, we use she had spoken the truth. She had spoken the truth. वो सच बोल चुकी थी. वो सच बोल चुकी थी. In future perfect tense, we use she will have spoken the truth. She will have spoken the truth. वो सच बोल चुकी होगी. In present perfect continuous, helping verb is has been and have been. Here we will write she has been speaking the truth for 2 hours. Here we use since for. Here I use for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटों से सच बोल रही है. In past perfect continuous, we use she had been speaking the truth for 2 hours. For 2 hours. वो 2 घंटों से सच बोल रही थी. In future perfect continuous, we use will have been. She will have been speaking the truth for 2 hours. इसमें एच जो है वो साइलेंट है, इसको हम आवर्स प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. For 2 hours. वो 2 घंटों से this is the formula of 12 tenses. Also you can learn from your hand, and also you can learn from this chart. You have to memorize helping verb, main verb and their form. Also main verb is used, for example, he is a teacher. He is a teacher, वो एक उस्ताद है. He is a teacher. वो एक उस्ताद है. Here we use is as a main verb. वो एक उस्ताद है. In